So here we are, day 3 at the fish pond and waterfall. We've got a triple tier waterfall that comes down here into the fish pond. As you can see right here, we've got this long flat boulder that gives the fish a little place to hide, a little fish cave. Over there we've got a shelf, little shallow area for the fish. And then come down here, this is at least 3 feet deep so the fish can protect themselves during the winter. Over there we're gonna have some ferns. You see we got some plants over here. We got some nice big ferns, some iris and Sada variegata. That's a Japanese water iris. We got some Japanese carex. We got some dianthus, some golden feather. We've got some different perennials right here to fill in the gaps.